Margot Machol Bisnow is a writer, mom and parenting expert. In Raising an Entrepreneur, she interviewed 70 parents who raised highly successful adults. Here are their 4 hard parenting rules that differentiate them from most others. They are resilient, hardworking people who start something and bring ideas to life. 1. Give kids extreme independence. Susan and Ann Wojcik are 2 incredibly accomplished sisters. Susan, Google's first marketing manager, became its CEO in 2014. Ann co-founded 23andMe, a genomics and biotech company. When I talked with their mom Esther, it was clear that her girls grew up knowing she trusted him to behave responsibly. I gave my children the opportunity to be very independent early on, Esther told me. Her kids loved that sense of freedom. I think it gave them a lot of confidence, she said. I would put my 5-year-old daughter on a plane, alone, with a name tag around her neck, to visit her grandmother in LA, even if you're afraid to give your kids the kind of freedom Esther gave her daughters. She said, you can still give them things to do around the house to contribute to the family, like chores to make them responsible and to develop their confidence. 2. Actively nurture compassion. Children whose parents show them how it feels to help others who are struggling, whether across the world or across the kitchen table, get a head start in developing a compassionate outlook. Scott Harrison is the founder of Charity Water, a non-profit that restores and maintains wells to give people sustainable access to clean water. In only 15 years, Charity Water has funded 60,000 projects in 29 developing countries, brought clean water to 12 million people, and raised almost $500 million for the cause. Early awareness of other people's problems can also encourage kids to start asking entrepreneurial questions. Do things really have to be this way? How can I make them better? 3. For their kids.